Hello and welcome to a short demonstration on My Learning Hub. What I'll do today is go through a few of the products that we have and give you a general introduction to the system, and then if you like what you see we can have a short call, 30 minutes or an hour, and I can go through some of the features in more detail with you later on. So starting from here we've got the LMS system. So from here we've got things like surveys, 360 feedback, personal development plans, gamification, leaderboards, notifications, loads of reporting. So it's a very robust LMS system. We've also got an authoring tool. So when it comes to building content, creating content, you can build it yourself from within this system. So to create content is very simple. It's all drag and drop. You can add in basically any type of asset, audio, video, images, audio answers, fill in the blanks, multiple choice. We've got loads of different options to create content, and when you do want to create content, it is simply just adding it into position, dragging and dropping it. As part of content creation, it also is fully branded. So when you create courses, either edit the 150 course library that we have built inside the system, which you'll have access to. You can edit that, create your own content, and of course have it fully branded as well. Now, in addition to content creation, from the same system we can also train external parties. So if we're looking at this from a contracted training perspective, what we can do is create micro training environments or micro LMSs. We call them learning hubs, and from these learning hubs you can deliver online e-learning to a variety of audiences external to your LMS. So this is one of the examples that I've just built. It's got your logo, it's got an introduction title. This one has one of your videos embedded in it from YouTube, and then a select few courses which I've just put in for today's example. So you can share this with contractors. You have unlimited use with this platform within your license, so you really can make a lot of change and difference with your organization's training outside of the LMS. So if we take a look back at the LMS, what I can do is go through just a couple of features here. First of all, we've got the admin dashboard, but of course what we can do at any point is go and access the user side as well. So what I'll do is I'll just log in as a user from here, and we can check out the training that has been assigned to one of the users. From here the user can access the course library. So based on their job role they can have access to certain content. Also based on their job role they can automatically be assigned relevant training paths as well. The content that we have here has all been ranked by other users within the LMS. So you can see what content is working and what isn't. I can also, as a user, see the newsfeed. So certain items that have been shared with me, certain things that have been created as part of the business that you want to make your users aware of. I can also complete surveys from here. So if I have completed a course and I need to now provide feedback on that course, I can now fill out a custom survey that's been built by the admin and assigned to the course. So I can say how I feel about the training, if it was useful. I can rank the training, I can give feedback, I can say whether I would like to be contacted. So the LMS will be able to deliver basically any functionality that you need from a training perspective. We also support single sign-on with Microsoft and can integrate with your HR system. So users and information that are shared with your HR system will automatically have access inside this LMS as well. Just to show you some basic housekeeping, managing users, this is a really popular thing to do. We've got robust filters throughout the whole platform, so you can break it down on a variety of different filters. So you can have even internal and external employees. You can sort out by division, by team, by department, and we can also create custom filters that you are filtering by in your current platform, or that you would like to filter by from information that's taken into your HR system. So we can add in custom filters, which in that, by the same string, we can also then show those custom filters in the reports as well. So to assign training content, it's simple as selecting the users, click course, click assign, and selecting the course, event, or training path that you want to assign to the user. Once you're happy with the training, they've received notifications automatically to tell them they have been enrolled in courses or a course is coming to expire. We can then go and check out the compliance report. And from here, again, we've got these handy filters. We can break it down by course, by compliance status, by team, department, role, or any other custom fields that you want to add in. And also export this to specific users even at a specific time. So I can schedule a report and I can say I want this to go out as an Excel sheet every week on a Monday, for example, and it will notify specific roles. So the reporting on here can be shared very easily, but we can also set it up so that based on your permissions, you can access specific training areas within the LMS as well. So we have a built-in company hierarchy, so we can set it up based on your user role. You can only have access to specific areas of the LMS and also only certain visibility of your boundaries. So if you're a team leader, for example, with 100 staff or maybe 10, you can set it up so you can only see people in the same team as you, for example, in those reports, meaning everyone can log in, everyone can see relevant data, but they can't see outside of their professional boundaries data which they shouldn't really have access to. From here we can also create events, create waiting lists, surveys, grade feedback that we've received, maybe like from the audio answers, from certificates that have been uploaded manually. So sometimes contractors need to upload certificates with training dates. It can all be stored from here and checked by management once they've been uploaded. We can report on the attendance for events. We can report on compliance. And as you've already seen from the user side, we can access training, our teams, our calendar. So the LMS is very easy to use, as you can see. It's very user-friendly. And like I said, Taurus Group and Carla Holmes are having a great time with this product at the moment because of its simplicity and also the availability through our mobile apps. So they can access it anywhere on iOS or Android. The tab will be next to their Instagram or Facebook app on their phone. So there's no going to Safari or Chrome, finding the URL, logging in. It's as simple as opening your phone, tapping the app, clicking start on the training, and that's it. So super easy access rights. So just to recap, we've got the LMS. We have the authoring tool for content creation. So you can build out your own materials here. It's very easy to use, and with your product you'll also have unlimited use of this. So you can have as many authors and as much content created as you need. The hubs will be used to deliver external training to contractors or people outside your organisation that you also want to deliver online learning to. We then have the 150 course library, which you'll have full access to for all users and be able to edit any of the existing content as well. So if you want to update it, change it, rearrange it, you have full access rights. The final part of the service with My Learning Hub is our content creation service as well. So if you want help building materials, turning them from PowerPoints into online e-learning with gamification, with videos, with animation, whatever you want, we can build things from scratch with your development ideals, so your brand book, your colors, the way you want it to feel, and then we can build out a whole brochure of content for you based on your current content. So it's very easy to transform it into e-learning using our designers. So that is My Learning Hub in a nutshell. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll send a link to book a further call if you want to have another chat. I did mention to your colleague as well that because it's coming to the end of our tax year, We've also received a new investment fund, and the new investors come on board. We're able to offer a significant discount for the month of April. I can put more information in the email, but I'll be excited to hear what you think of the offer, and if you'd like to have further conversations surrounding the products itself. Thanks very much.